Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install DeepSeek on Windows easy tutorial. So if you want to install DeepSeek in here onto your device so that you won't have to go onto their website, so this is the right guide for you. So just open Chrome and then right after, go to their official website. So you have deepseek.com in here, and once you're in here, just click onto the three dots here onto the upper right corner of the screen. So if you scroll down, there should be an option for you to go ahead and choose Cast, Save, and Share. So if you hover that, it will open something like this here, and there should be an option for you to install Page as an app. So if you click onto that, you should be able to see this prompt, and it will ask you to open this app on a new window. So you'll just have to click on install for that, wait for it, and as you can see, you have now a different app from the website. So let's close that. So we have an app already for DeepSeek. So it automatically created also a shortcut for you. Let's close that. Let's open it back again. And we have a DeepSeek app onto our Windows device. And that is how easy you install DeepSeek on Windows. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe. Also check out the links in the description for some helpful bonuses, tools, and extra resources we share with our viewers. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you on to our next videos.